What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pigweed Farms. Today's episode, we're getting the peanut wagon out of the field. It's got some supplies in it that I need to finish this chicken coop. The goal today is to try to get the chicken coop done. We can get it done and I can get it moved whenever I get my truck back. That's right, it is back in the shop once again. Had it back for almost a month and it started acting up again. So we are using the side-by-side. I hope it can do it. It should. These don't weigh that much empty. So we're gonna get up here and start on it. Alright guys, we are back up here at the barn. Got the peanut wagon up. Went ahead and did some mowing under here just to, because it was looking like that. I really need concrete floors. Really bad. But we're gonna work with what we got today. I had an idea a while back that I wanted to, for content reasons, I was running out of content to film. So I was like, okay, I'll build somebody a chicken coop. So between Mara's granddaddy, her aunt, and her other grandma, they've all had chickens. And her Aunt Sissy's been wanting chickens for a long time. So we decided that we would build her a chicken coop. No cost to her. Just, I am always finding stuff under this barn. There's a screw from where the barn was built 4 years ago. But we decided to build her a really nice chicken coop. Kind of like a DIY type deal. So it's actually, I ain't gonna lie, for a minute I thought about taking her my big coop and me keeping this one. Because when you get older and once you build something once, you think about what you could do better next time. And this is one of those deals where I looked at mine and I looked at this one. This one's just, it's not done. It still needs a lot of tweaking. But I mean, it's nice on the inside. Don't worry about all the poo. Something's been living in here. I haven't touched this chicken coop in 3 months. It's been out here under the barn. So I haven't touched it for like 3 months because there for a while my truck was in the shop. We was building my fence back here. Then I took a break for a weekend. Then we went down to where the cows are now. We started on that fence because my cows are here. So this has been on the back burner for a while. She's been on me about getting it done. She wants her chickens. I mean, I won't blame her. We're already in July the 13th or 14th. So she'll still have plenty enough time. But I mean, it's really spacious. I gotta take this. I put a 2x4 under here. But I think what I'm gonna do, gotta have nothing to attach it to. I'm gonna cut where all the 2x4s lay down on this piece and put a 2x4 in between the runners. That way it has enough drop to where rain don't stay on it. I mean, even down to the egg laying box. I mean, look how tall it is. I mean, there is plenty of room. And I'd say this chicken coop's made for like 6 chickens. Which we are down to, could you stop? I'm trying to film. We're actually down to 10 chickens. We lost 2 chickens this morning due to ants and another one that's in critical condition. So she's in the coop right now. Threw the water hose, kind of washed the ants off of her, kind of cooled her down a little bit. So I'm hoping she comes back around. Maybe she will. Then we got Delmer, the little Delmar. He's coming up here seeing what we're doing. But this is the plan for today. This is what we're going to do for today. I hope y'all enjoy. There's probably going to be a bunch of time lapsing. Just because we're actually stuck at home this weekend. Can't go anywhere. Both kids have a virus. So this is my project for the weekend. Give me something to do, and we're gonna try to hurry up and knock it out. That way, maybe when I should have my truck back They said they could look at it the 22nd. So that's next week, next Monday, not this coming up Monday, but the following Monday. So hopefully I can get it back that week and we can get this done and delivered to her. Hopefully. We're gonna deck it all out. I seen fans on TikTok I wanted to put on here, but just they ain't had the money to buy them. We're balling on a budget. But got a little window. She can come out here in the mornings, open the window up. And they can get plenty of air. There's hardware cloth, so nothing can get in. We are going to use chicken wire just because I got a big old roll of it. So we're kind of doing this on a budget, trying to. Not saying later on we won't come back. We might right over there and put a fan in or something like that. Y'all stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll pick up back up here in a little bit. back out here again today. Yesterday we finished up. We got the chicken run done, so that's good. That part of it is complete. We're going to try to we gotta pull the roof back off today. This is because I had it sitting the other way in here the other day, sitting with the front of the coop that way. It was leaning down. I knew it was leaning, and I went ahead and did the roof up to where I thought it should be, but I was wrong. So I put a 2x4 in here just to pick the roof up. I think what we're gonna do is drop it back down. That way it has enough. If you look at it now, it just looks level. So we're gonna drop that back down the way it has enough to where it can shoot off all the rain when it rains. Right here, I got another piece of tin over there. I hope it's enough. We're gonna put here to kind of deflect the rain from coming down into the coop. That's the plan at least, and then we'll worry about wrapping chicken wire. I'm not going to have it where they can go under the coop. So under the coop will just be open. So they'll have a 10-foot run. Josephine over there making a bunch of racket. So they have a bunch of space to run. Like I said, it'll be good for 3 or 4 chickens to come out here and piddle around in. If she wants to, we can build her a larger area for them to get out and walk around in. No big deal. But today we're going to try to get as far as we can on it, and then next weekend probably do like a part 2 video, finishing it up, delivering it, and all that. So we're about to jump in here, drop this roof back down, pull the tent off the top, get the door hung back up. I think I'm gonna pull this piece off, and because I don't like how it comes down. I cut this with a oscillating tool, but I think what we're gonna do is I might try to make that door work. I'm not sure yet, so we're just gonna play it by ear and see what we can do, make it work. It is what it is. I got a spare piece, so here we go. Y'all gotta stay tuned. I hope y'all are enjoying this. I know I sound like I'm a little under the weather, and I am. So try to make the best of it. Get this chicken coop done, that way we can get it delivered. Have this project out of the way. Have this section of barn back. And hopefully she'll like it. I think she will. She's been telling me for a while she wanted chickens. So we're gonna make it happen for her. Alright guys, it is the following day, and I just got home from work, so need an outro, so about to run out here, grab an outro, then I gotta get on cooking duty. Grilling burgers tonight, first time we've grilled since last year at Tate's birthday party. So
we got her pretty much whipped. Added this piece as a blocker for the door down in there, as y'all see. Just keep rain. We'll take a bead of silicone and seal it. Next video, we'll come through and wrap in chicken wire and hopefully deliver. Got the door done. Don't mind my lock right now. It's temporary. The door is done. Very nice. You gotta put the roof back on. But very nice chicken coop. Hopefully she likes it. I think she will. I don't think there'll be any problem. So y'all comment down below what y'all think about it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and y'all please like, subscribe, comment down below. It's like something's been living in my grill. But y'all, like I said, y'all like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll pick y'all back up on the next one.